How to cover yourself an ATF. Oh.
Why did it sound like that?
Oh. Oh.
You just hit your head too.
Oh. Dude.
I hope I got that on video.
Smoked my head. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are going to be pulling the transmission, the Stage 3 48RE out of Jerome and probably smoking our head on the lift every 30 seconds. So basically we're pulling this entire truck down, taking all the powder coat off, traction bars, tranny, motor, everything. Gonna strip it down. Probably, yeah, there's gonna be no performance parts left on this truck because we are going to put them all on that white truck over there. That is going to be for sale. I am also going to document every little step we take with that truck, putting everything that's on mine in that one, so you guys can potentially buy yourself a rowdy 1200 horsepower Cummins. This, kids, is why you drain your tranny fluid before you pull your lines, especially when you're trying to get it done fast, because it'll end up all over your floor and in your mouth, and your children will actually come out with ATF pre-installed. What is going on? We got the cat fight.
Just throw him at him.
That's a
Come on, Fang, make it go down, dude.
Fang, get him.
Live up to the name, Fang. Come on.
You really gonna let this guy infiltrate your stomping grounds?
Dude, this is your house.
You're gonna let this guy infiltrate your stomping grounds, huh?
Really?
Where's my water gun?
Dude, I don't know. Is it in your truck?
I think it's in the office. You really gonna let this guy infiltrate like that? You're not gonna do anything about it? Really not gonna do anything about it? Who even is that? Is that your girlfriend? Where'd the other one go? Oh. She's hiding. Cummins is hiding. Oh, she's gone. Take her on back. We're gonna give this cat a little
Where is said water
taste
gun?
of our medicine here. What are we
Clutch
doing,
lied
Fang?
to me.
What is it doing? Kill it.
There it is.
Just no stomp the yard
Oh.
here, dude.
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna pop, bro.
Oh.
He's gonna pop.
Oh.
He's
Here.
gonna pop.
Give me. No,
He's
give
on
me.
the forklift.
He's on the forklift?
On the forklift.
No.
On the forklift.
He's really infiltrating the stomping grounds.
Hold on.
How to detail the underside of your truck. Rock lights? Clean. We're out of water. Cameraman? Clean. Exhaust got rubber on it? Not anymore.
It's gonna drain in a half hour, maybe more.
I got the drain plug tight still. Where'd my... Oh, there it is. Bro, my ear is soaking wet now, gang. All right. World's tightest drain plug. How to cover yourself an ATF. Oh.
Why did it sound like that?
Oh. Oh.
You just hit your head too.
Oh. Dude,
I hope I got that on video.
smoked my head. Oh my god, dude.
How does it still have that much tranny fluid in there?
I don't know. It feels so weird. Why does it feel like a solid?
Huh.
No, that's the weirdest feeling I've ever felt. Swear. I should call it. Oh my. Metal on the drain plug. Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Let's go to the light.
Engine on?
Mm-mm. Oops. Oh no, that's rocks from when I dropped it in the thing. We're
Oh.
good. Just a little bit of buildup. Clutch material. Not too bad for how hard I beat on this thing. We'll just...
How do you lock the gimbal in place, bro?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks! All right. Time for the... How is it still draining out of there when I drain the bottom? Genuinely. How does that make any sense?
No idea. It's still draining pretty good.
Yeah, it don't care. Oh, we should probably disconnect my T case.
Probably be a good
Yeah,
idea.
that'd be a good idea. Ready for the ASMR? Oh, that was terrible. I'm gonna grab a plug for that. Oh, no. The bell housing.
I think the 14 wobbles over here.
I think it's on the big gun. Let me see if it's right first. Pretty sure. Yeah. Bro. Oh my god.
Oh, pump the jam. Pump it up.
It's probably gonna max it out.
No.
Probably gonna.
No.
Yeah.
No. No, we're good. Okay.
You want me to take the red thing out?
Huh? No, not yet. We get a ratchet strapper. Strapper.
Ooh, that's hot.
No, it's not.
Just a little bit.
No, it's not.
You did not feed it.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I see it.
Got her.
Yeah.
Oh, let's actually not get the rock light stuck in between.
Boys
Oh
are coming
my.
out.
Rookies, dude. It's like I've never pulled a tranny before. I blow trannies, I don't pull them. Ain't that right, Marcus?
You also blow males.
No, no, no. Oh, what was that? Okay. Take that out. See if it wants to go anywhere. No siree. Stuff this. Again, not around the rock light wire. Hanging right there as it completely falls down. Cool, man. All right, gun. Impact wrench.
Impacto.
Oh, 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 oh. That hurt.
Crossovers right there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Dude, I did not know. Thank you. I needed that. I need a 14 Raptor wrench. Damn it. For that one. Just take the camera. Just walk around over there, bud. Hey. Here, I'll trade you. Bro, I don't know if I'm tall enough for this.
They're a little toasty.
Oh, yeah. All those goofies that use like a 6-foot extension to get to the top bell housing, this is all you need. This is all you need, Shelby. Ain't that right?
Yeah, something like that.
As long as you don't tighten them all the way like me.
I mean, I would bring it down 6 feet, but
Oh,
Again.
wire in the eyeball. Cool, man. See? All we need. All we need.
the bypass is leaking.
No,
Yeah.
it's probably oil.
Mm.
From when my my injector harness cracked.
Yeah.
Yeah, my valve cover seal cracked. That was a great time.
Minor details.
Oh, nice. This 14 doesn't fit. Oh, and it's really tight. Let me grab non-Matco because those are garbage.
Thank you. Take care.
What are you picking apart down here?
None. It just looks like you have a wastegate down
I know. It's my flame maker.
there.
Because if I didn't have an exhaust leak, it wouldn't introduce oxygen. It's all part of the plan, Shelby. Or something like that.
Yeah, that sounded kind of cool.
Scientific.
Yeah.
Oh my God, come out. Oh, thank you. All right. Get this hog out of here. Oh, okay.